Buyers or purchasing a house without selling a property. If you're first-time buyers, or if you've had a mortgage before but don't currently have one and don't have a house to sell, then the basic documents we'll need for the lender, solicitor and compliance is as follows. Photo ID, in-date passports or driving licences showing the correct address. If you don't have photo ID, please see our video about what is acceptable in place of this. Proof of address, a bank statement or credit card statement dated within the last 3 months, an annual council tax bill, annual mortgage statement or a utility bill dated within the last 3 months. If you're employed and paid monthly, we'll need your last 4 months' payslips. Please remember to email us or call us if your payslips are password protected. If you're employed and you're paid weekly, we'll need the last 13 weeks' payslips. And if you're paid fortnightly, please send us the last 7 payslips. If you're self-employed and complete your own self-assessments, please send to us a minimum of 2 years' tax calculations with the accompanying tax year overviews. We have a separate video of how to download these if you're unsure. If you have an accountant who completes your tax calculations or compiles your accounts, please ask the accountant for the last 2 years. If you are in construction and subcontract, you'll be on the CIS voucher scheme. Depending on the lender, we will require between 6 and 12 months vouchers to evidence your income and a copy of your contract. Please see our separate CIS income guidance video for more information on this. We'll need to see the last 3 months' bank statements for all active accounts you hold. That includes any separate spends accounts, bills accounts, Mumzo and savings pots accounts, and these bank statements need to show the name of the account holder and the account details to be acceptable for the lender and solicitor. For your deposit, we'll need to see evidence of how this is accumulated. If your deposit is all from savings, we'll require a minimum of 6 months savings statements, but be prepared to provide 12 months bank statements if the deposit is for a large amount, as the solicitors will ask you for this. If your deposit is being gifted by a family member or friend, we'll provide them with a gifted deposit letter to sign, so we will need the name of the person gifting the deposit, their address and their relationship to you, and also the amount of deposit being gifted. We will then draw up a gifted deposit letter and we'll need to see evidence that they have the deposit to gift. If it's in savings, we'll ask for the latest month's bank statement. Please do refer to our separate video about gifted deposits, as there are other requirements to be aware of. If your deposit is coming from Forces Help to Buy, or if you're looking into the Help to Buy equity scheme, shared ownership, or if you're buying your house at a discounted price from the council or landlord, please see our alternative videos about these schemes. If you have credit cards, loans, store cards, or any other finance, we'd need to see either the latest statement or initial finance agreement, or as a minimum, we'd need to know who the credit provider is, the credit limit, outstanding balance, and the monthly payment. And if it's a loan, the length of time left.